Can we put a shout out for a Joshua Burton from Aces? He's an 8-year-old boy. Where does he need to go? Admin would be great, please.
So both teams complete their warm-up.
Joshua Burton, please, from Aces, can you please go to admin? Joshua Burton to admin.
And the teams look to be ready. The lights start counting down. And we're away. We would expect Lightning Ready to Rumble to have the advantage in this race, but it is tight so far. If anything, Wicked have a very slight advantage. We have a light for Lightning, third dog, didn't take the ball out of the box. So this will be Wicked's to lose now. And indeed, they take the win. Lightning are electing to just rerun to try and get that dog to take clean, which it does. But Wicked sitting on a 1-0 lead now. So could it be that we have our two top seeds lose their first race? So the teams are away again now. Clean again. And it's neck and neck on the second dog. Both these teams relatively evenly matched. We've got Lightning on a 16.05, Wicked on a 16.09, so very, very tight. Seed times coming into this. It's going to be on the line. I think Lightning take that one. 16.10 for Lightning, a 16.16 for Wicked. So both teams there or thereabouts on their seed times, but that takes us to 1-1 now. And just a slight hesitation for Wicked, just sorting something. But we're away clean. Second dogs. Wicked have a light on the third dog, so early on the third. So Lightning will be looking, but Lightning have a light on the fourth dog, so they'll try and rerun. Which they get away. Wicked slow to rerun their third. Maybe guilty a touch there of having given up the ghost a little too early. Lightning complete with the 23.47, so Wicked maybe missed a trick there. So Lightning Ready to Rumble sitting on a 2-1 lead now. So having started promisingly with that win in the first leg for Wicked, they'll be hoping that they don't lose 3 on the trot now. And as Wicked are ready, the lights start counting down. Good changes onto the second dog off the box. Wicked maybe slightly ahead again, but it's pretty close. It's going to be about the speed on the fourth dogs. It's going to be tight on the line. So Wicked take that a 16.26 to a 16.31. So that takes us to 2-all. So we have a fifth and deciding leg now. So the teams take their time to make sure their positioning is right. We're away clean. A light for Wicked on the second dog, so Lightning will perhaps ease. Just enough to stay clean. But a light for Lightning as well on the third dog. So they're going to try and rerun it. It's going to be close. Go, go, go. Both dogs into the lane at the same time. And Lightning still don't take the ball, so this is going to go Wicked's way. And we do have an upset. So that is seed 1 Focus losing their first race and seed 2 Lightning losing their first race. So that is pretty much against what we would have expected. And it does mean that race 5 will be Commando's turn to go against Focus. Race 6 will be Kennet